When I enter the canyon,
She came in.
when I
Bad cannon. Bad
You're
cannon.
mine.
No. Bad cannon, bro. Bad cannon. Bad cannon. Bad cannon. Mine.
Get in the
we
cannon.
shall fight. We
I'm
shall
in the
fight.
canyon.
No, I wanna do my science.
Every day I wake
Drew,
up.
get in the cannon.
Angry. He broke
Emoji
what
face
the
with
cannon?
tears of joy. Emoji.
What? Woozy.
Wait, oh my gosh.
I'm trying to do something.
What the heck? Look at my face. Look at my face. Tossy, look at my face. What's up? What's up, Tossy? Oh my gosh.
I heard cannon. I heard cannon.
Help me, help me, help me. Trust the process.
Alright, Drew, get in the cannon, Drew. Get in the cannon, Drew.
Everybody wants to be my enemy. Oh, spare the sympathy. Everybody wants to be my enemy.
I wish we could switch teams so we didn't have to fight one another. Dead.
No, that's mine. No, this
No,
is what
that's-
you get for cheating.
How do you do this?
Okay.
Thank you. And then I'll have this.
How do you do that? I already have it, bro. I
Let's
already
go.
have it.
Thank you.
Can't kill me for
I
it.
just got it.
How do you do this?
Let's go. I got. Guess how many money I got?
Huh?
Bro, wait, hold on.
6,000.
Go look to your teammates.
I don't really care.
I'm leaving this. This is boring. This is getting really boring. I want to build my super fast track.
Oh,
that
yo,
makes me
stop
go
trying to kill me.
small
Why are you trying to
90s.
kill me? I didn't even do anything.
You
Dang.
killed me first.
No, I didn't.
Hey.
Okay, yeah.
Hey, Tossie, shoot me, bro. Shoot me, Tossie. Tossie, shoot me.
For real?
Bro, why would you break it?
Bro,
we're not even
I'm
trying to
legit-
fight you.
I might
We're
get
trying
off.
to glitch out of the game.
Okay, fine. I dropped them.
Did you tell, I'm just gonna start shooting the cannon if you don't back off. Oh, what is this?
What the heck?
That was helpful. No.
What the heck?
Wait, Super, get in the front, get in the front. Where'd you go?
The canyon.
Oh god.
But what? The canyon?
Wait, hold up.
What
Bro,
the heck?
we gotta
Tell me.
I did a flip and I landed.
Yeah, I know, cause
Wait.
that's what it happened. Can you not shoot
Bro, we
me?
get a cannon joust. Let's go, buddy. Oh god. Yep, that's how we do it.
You didn't get in. All I saw was a rocket go past your face. Get him, Drew! Get him! No!
Bro, I shot freaking Cuckoo in the back. Bro, so how's you been?
My head was a lot.
Ooga,
Can I get in while knocked down?
ooga,
Can I get in while knocked down?
ooga.
Wait, I'm gonna die. No!
No! For sure, you're dead. Don't deny me, I'm gonna kill you.
I don't see any problems with this.
Any problems?
Landed?
Any problems? Any problems? Get in there. Get in the cannon. Get in the cannon. Get in the cannon. Oh, get out the way. You're gonna die. Kevin, get out the way.
Stop it.
My way.
Stop doing it.
Get out the way. Oh, Kevin, you're gonna die. All right.
Tassie,
Back off.
first she said,
Yeah, I am already streaming. Wait, I'm not. Oh yeah, I am.
Hey, wait, hold on. Can I knock?
Drew, get in, Drew, get in the candy. Get in. Wait, Drew, right here, right here. Here, Drew.
Hey!
Here, Drew. Wait, do it to me, Drew. I wanna see. Drew. Wait, can you do it to me real quick? I wanna see what happens.
Yeah, sure, whatever you want. Sure, whatever.
Yeah, right.
That hurt. Can you revive
Didn't
me?
do anything. Here, do it one more time.
You're trying, buddy?
Can you're doing nothing. Here, try doing this again. Try doing this again.
Oh.
What? Why is it so uncinematic?
Like cannon flip, bro. Oh, that's a...
What's up, Joe? Do you know the Fortnite? Oh, Kimmy
what
did.
are y'all doing, man? Emoji.
What are y'all doing, man? What are y'all doing, bro? I don't even know. Ooga.
Oh my god.
What just happened? What just happened? Wait, let me see.
I just thought I went under the ground.
Yeah, I just saw y'all do that. Wait, can I see what wait.
What is it?
Let go of him.
Not even working.
Let go and regrab. Let go and regrab.
Wait, I don't know if I can kill you.
I dropped Tupu and dance on him.
Okay, I'm on.
What? What'd you say? Hey, drop Tupu and dance on him?
Oh, never mind, I mean Drew.
Bro, I don't know what you're doing. I don't have life, bro. I'm legit. Bro, if you take off this too, I'm a nugget. So stop it.
Never gonna give you up. Oh, that's copyright. I shouldn't do that. never gonna give you up.
I wonder what happens if a test number 1 of can a cannon stop?
Yeah. Fact or cat.
Hold up. Wait. Maybe if we don't shoot it directly. Let's see what happens if we shoot it directly.
Oh,
that happens.
What?
Back the frick off. You don't want a headshot. You're dead. Okay, now let's shoot it indirectly. I think indirectly is the way.
Posse, come here.
Yeah, what do you mean?
Get this, bro. What do you
I shot it. You're gonna get copyrighted.
Yeah, I know. I'm not even gonna be on YouTube anymore. Here, let me.
Put it on there.
Hello.
So,
Welcome back to another Fortnite. What
shooting it indirectly gives you better.
Emoji face with tears of joy. Emoji face with tears of joy. Emoji face with tears of joy. Emoji skull and crossbones. Emoji skull and crossbones. Emoji skull and crossbones.
Okay, I'll kill you.
Kill Drew and pick him up.
Oh, what?
I pick him up real quick. We need a test real quick. Man, you ruined it, Drew. You ruined it. Kill him again.
Y'all broke it. You broke me.
Where is he?
I'm outside the map.
Wow.
Hello.
Zero recoil.
Look up, Tassie. Tassie, bro, where am I?
I don't know. I saw the map.
Yo,
How'd you do that?
Tassie? Magic the Gathering. Also, the quick, awesome 360 no scope. Somebody's body. Tassie,
I'll revive you. I don't know if I can. I can't revive you. No. Give me my RPG back. Can I have my RPG back?
Tell Drew the Earth Vader skin sucks. Buffering,
Percy said that,
buffering,
buffering,
elbow cock.
What? Buffering, elbow cough. 360 no scope!
I gotta go because of Gaza.
Damn. If you wanna hop on OC in a little bit? Maybe?
Sheltering.
A little bit.
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, rock around, Drew. no. You know what? No.
You wanna play shoot a cannon in your mouth hole?
What?
You wanna go super duper fast, like the maximum speed?
I don't know. Do what? Oh, Percy's jumping on.
Oh, so I guess we're gonna do that, or we have to stay on?
Yeah, basically. Bro, you know what? I'm just gonna legit charge this remote just like I charge it. Oh, psych, I lied. He said just kidding. Emoji. Oh my god.
Not asking.
Alright. I'm gonna need some cookies. So. Where is my phone?
Oh, nice holes. Is that a tank inside of a house? Inside of a car? Cool. Oh, now it's gonna be black.
Nani? Goody buddy.
Dima hop on no cap. Go to
Me
sleep,
hop on no
Cassie.
cap. Me hop on no cap. That's what he said. Where are my cookies?
We want to complete some of these no sweat challenges so we can.
I'm eating cocky. I'm eating cookies. Cookies.
And cookies in your
It's an Percy.
Oh yeah, cookie and talkie. You just say cocky. But what did he say? It's me, Percy, Luis. Oh no, you go to sleep, boy. Luis is on my stream too. Yo, bro, let me eat some cookies, bro. Dang. Eat a little, you go sleep.
banana eat own time.
Emoji Facebook tears of joy. I didn't tell him, I swear.
A banana eat bananas with big laugh kick. He got bananas.
You're my dog too.
No, who's getting on no cap?
Percy? I don't know. Darian knows my channel?
Like a credit card number. Just for a friend.
Good.
Totally not the IRS. Not the IRS. I'm not the IRS. Hey, can I get your email? And I'm not the IRS, so don't worry. Definitely not the IRS coming for your money.
You see, you hear like
I
a
just
bunch
need
of.
to know where you live currently for a certain thing. Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't. Yeah, but my address is 242484384.
Quiet right now. You're getting arrested.
842382184283432.
Thank you.
That's a real address.
Literally don't care.
Okay, boys. Okay, I have okay. Y'all wanna know what
I found the cookies.
Okay, Tassi, you wanna know my personal card digit is? Personal card digit go. Yeah.
Oh, I found cookies. No, I don't care, too. For a matter of fact, shut up.
Tassi,
You know what?
put
Get my
this card
Get
in.
my cookies, man.
Put
Get my cookies.
five.
I'm in the kitchen.
5 years old kid. What?
Who's listening to that? Listen loud.
Master, what are we doing?
We're gonna get you up.
Tassi's over
We're
here
gonna
just walking
let
around
you
like,
down.
Bro, Drew, you finally got the full battle pass, like imagine.
Yo, imagine having a full battle pass.
Bro, imagine not having it though, like the full battle pass.
Imagine not having a battle pass.
What
is that?
Like
Oh no, put this cup back in there, and I'm never gonna touch that cup ever
Honestly,
again.
I kinda do not like this battle pass. Like, I don't like it.
It didn't have this
I like
skins that were good.
This skins
the
are
only
kinda
good
plain.
skin is Dark Gators. Dark Gator was the best.
I think the only reason I bought it because like they're
I realize I still have like never gonna give you up on.
At least I have enough for the next battle pass.
I have 2,550.
Why are you wearing
Mercy.
dude? Why are you wearing
Percy, for a matter of fact, I don't care.
You guys trying to play some COD?
No.
Hey guys, you trying to make
How
the
many
most
cookies?
First, thing? Just
What?
First one.
How many
Trying to make
cookies?
the
No.
most cursed. When I say cursed, I mean cursed combo. Most cursed combo that there's
LeBron James.
Bro, I wanna play some Call of Duty, bro.
Well, I'm legit eating cookies right now, bro. Shit. Ow.
Big.
Let me eat my cookies.
Cookies.
I do care about my cookies. Yeah.
How could you be so insensitive?
Yeah, bro. Like, you don't care about
your
cookies?
manager, I want your supervisor right now. You are so insensitive.
No ma'am, I want your manager. Where's your manager? I need to talk to your manager right now.
It's gonna turn into like, no. They're gonna turn it.
Me. Oh my gosh.
Stop recording me right now.
Stop
If you don't
recording me right now, right now.
Oh my god, he's hurting me.
Bro, get your Great Danes
He's hurting
away
me.
from me.
He's hurt.
Your Great Danes fighting me, bro. Ma'am, that's a chihuahua. Your Great Danes hurting me.
You hear a dog start singing to Darth Vader.
Yeah.
I want freedom, bro. I'm making it. I'm making out.
Bro,
what?
we're just gonna turn this into a podcast, bro. Like, they're gonna,
Okay,
like, everybody
let's go.
watching this is gonna be like, staring what? What do you want?
Oh,
You had to go back to home.
I can't.
Buffering. Nice. Everybody, let's go to my world. It's gonna be
I'm
the
trying to make
best.
the. I'm looking for what
I'm gonna show Luis my world.
Okay, Percy, come here. We're about to go like 18 Mach.
Oh
like,
no, wait.
Mach 99 Mach.
No, wait. Let me do something real quick.
We're about to go the fastest as possible.
What do you mean by that?
Hey, y'all need to turn
Legit
down
over
your.
400 miles. Over 400.
How do you know? What?
Just
Bro, you guys remember that time that we built like that big ramp and we go down and we hit those big jumper things?
Oh, this is
Hold up.
Oh wait, you guys remember Tassi, you remember Luis that he always breaks his controller?
He did? What?
Yeah, you don't remember? He always breaks his controller every time when he gets mad.
Oh, I just break my freaking console.
Of course you do. You break everything there.
Yeah, bro, you broke 3 to 2 phones. You broke 2 consoles. You broke
Yeah, you
basically your
broke
HDMI on your PS4, bro.
Oh, I know. I smacked that thing.
Still counts.
Oh no, when I say it smacked it, like it was like a.
Bro, you don't even know what a. Bro, you legit broke.
I'm trying to play some COD,
You broke the
bro.
trust with Mackay.
Bro, did you know I'm a good offensive lineman?
Did you know I never asked?
Shut up, bro. I'll pancake with that bit.
Bro, you remember that
Thanks.
time that you had the ball? I pancaked you. Am I right, Tassi? I pancaked.
I'm pretty sure you raped me. Didn't you rape me?
Wait.
No, I
Hey,
didn't.
Drew,
No, I
wait.
didn't. No.
I remember.
Bro, even Tassi's
Tassi's
really
knows.
streaming. Tosi's streaming, you know that, right?
I hope
Hey,
you
Tosi,
do.
Tosi, I
everybody
think you
knows.
should delete this video.
You should
Nah,
probably.
but I might just keep it up. Add you? How? What? On what? Fortnite? Tell me your username. What is my name? Sia. Ty? Ty? Hey, Louise. Do you know what class you are in? No, not you. That's not about Louise. Boo boo? What? What's your username? Smokey Sonnet 44.
Loading in. Look, I'm loading in.
What? Where are you?
Look.
Oh wait. Oh, now I see you.
Help me build this.
Okay.
Wait, Percy, how do you even delete videos?
What?
How do you even delete videos? To be honest, I never really bothered.
On your phone, and you press those 3 dots, and it says you can delete it.
That's what I'm gonna do today. Smokey Sonnet 44.
I'm gonna create the other line that's meant to be following you.
Hold on, wait, let me...
Wait, how far am I supposed to go? All the way?
To the end. To the end. You just fill in the patches later. Fill in the patches later.
Is there any cap?
Just don't go out of bounds because it should only be 2 wide, and I'm right now finishing the other side.
Yeah, I don't really see anything. That's exactly like that. Oh wait, on PS4? Hold on, wait, let me. Oh, okay, hold on, let me see. Hey, oh, well. Yo, go to my world real quick. There's something funny in there. No, I deleted all the TVs. I did. Hold up. Is it? Smokey's on that. Legit what I put in the thing. I legit still do not see it. Are you sure it's that? Are you for sure? Cause I do not see that. I do not see anything. I do not see your username, that's the thing. I put in Smokey's on it and I still don't see anything. Even out of the 44. Yeah, everything's legit the same thing. Oh, that stuff. You have no idea. Oh, mine? It's my username on Fortnite. It's right there. The first one.
Now, Percy, I need you to make some walls that are unbreakable. Some stronger walls that... You're not meant to do it like that. You're not meant to do it like that. Get wrong.
No PS4.
Actually,
Yeah,
makes you go
that's my
You're meant to
PS4.
go backwards.
So I'm on by 53 right there. Everything's lowercase.
I can't see.
Can't see? Hold up, wait.
First, you're not doing right.
Just gotta do something real quick.
It's blurry.
Oh. Alright, hold up.
Percy, can you help me, bro?
Alright. Want me to spill it out?
Oh god! It can be too high. It's meant to be too
Like
high.
spill it out? The whole thing? No, I'm just gonna spell it out. If you put it in, it's... Oh, Luis. Luis trying to
Yay.
add me. If you put in S A M O
Percy,
A
what I'm doing right now.
underscore B O I 53.
Keep swimming, keep swimming.
If you just do, it's all of it is lowercase.
Oh my god, bro, this dumb thing. Yeah, so hard.
God dang. Bussin'.
Can you say it again?
Alright, so it's S A
It's not meant to be in the middle.
M
Percy, are you
O
gonna help or not?
A N underscore B O I 53. Someone boy 53.
Oh my god.
I'm coming in your world. What are you doing, Drew?
Creating something that goes Mach 90.
Can I have edits?
You should. I already put edits for you.
No, I don't have any edits.
You're gonna ruin it, so I don't trust you. It's legit.
Fast, I'm gonna step on the gas. The gas. Why do you have brick walls?
Because this is how you keep in, because you're gonna go like Mach 90.
Ow!
Like,
Who's trying to hit me?
this.
Is that Percy? That's Percy.
Yo, Tassi, you're gonna see how fast I'm going. You're gonna be so surprised. Tassi, get in this car. I'll take you up.
Alright, hold up. Let me just do something real quick. I have an idea.
It doesn't show nothing.
Everything's lowercase, right? Like even the S.
400.
Wait, what? Drew, what are you doing?
Oh my god, I was going so fast.
Wait. Wait, get out the car. Get out the. Wait, no, get out the car. Get out the. No.
Get in right now.
We have to reset. Remember?
Oh yeah, hold up.
Just get out the car. That's all you gotta do.
Gas.
Everything's lowercase, right, Luis? Even this. Oh.
Oh, I
Yeah.
went under the gas on accident. Tassi, get out of the car. You don't know how to drive it.
Yes, I do.
Get in this car. Get in this car with me. Get in the car with me. Get in the car with me. Get out of the car right now. Get out of the car right now. Get it right.
Tell Percy to get out.
Get rid of your edit. Percy, get. Tassi, get out. I need a freaking. Okay. Let me drive it.
Ah, there's a limit of a boost. You have to change the limit of the boost.
Coffee, no, I have to tell you, you're doing it wrong. You're doing it backwards.
It's not backwards, you're just bad.
No, give me. Wait, you gotta get in this car, bro.
Oh my god, you put the car down before I give you my whipping. Why are you putting it backwards? Do it forwards.
That's the right way.
What? Put it backwards? That's the right way?
I'm trying to spawn it, but for some reason I can't spawn it.
Thank you. Alright.
I can't see your thing, but it won't let me.
Oh wait, I can't see your thing, but it won't let me.
Just get in right now. Actually, you know what? This car's better. Get out of the car. You don't understand. You're going the wrong way.
Sure, I can't move. Sure, it's slippery. Sure, I can't do this. Sure, I don't know what you mean.
You're meant to go backwards, but since you don't want to listen to me, I can't do it.
Backwards. That's not how you do it. You do it backwards. Oh, there you go. I have a new follower. Oh, I see. Okay, hold on. Let me see if I can add you. Follow. Oh, there you go. Hold on, wait. Let me see if I can.
100. Oh my goodness, bro. I need both the walls because it keeps sliding off. But since somebody, Percy, didn't want to do it, I can't do it. Posse, I'm coming in.
Drew, you don't know. You don't want to do this, Drew.
Posse, get in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car.
What do you need? What do I need? What do you need? What do you need? What do you need? Yeah.
Get in the car right now.
Luis? I can't get in the car.
This, I was not meant to do this. It was not meant to go under here. Okay. No, hold up. Oh my god, I went underwater. Yeah, the freaking front. Yeah, the front.
Turn off the music. Doing it forwards is wonderful. Oh wait, Drew, what's this? Drew, we're gonna die. Oh, Percy. Bro, we were so.
Now you understand what I was talking about.
Yeah, now I do.
You know how fast this thing can really go.
How do we wait? Try forwards. What is even gonna do forwards?
No, forwards is so slow. It's super slow forwards.
Oh, yeah, you go way more faster than backwards.
You don't understand how to use it though.
Drew, I'm going 500. I just went 500. Oh, you don't understand. I went 500 meters per second. Or 500 miles per hour. Like, I was legit at like 500, bro. I went 500.
No, Tassi, wait, come over here. Let me put a ramp somewhere at the end here.
Yeah, I don't know if we can do that. If you use that with the Lamborghini, the Lamborghini is gonna hit the ramp. It's not gonna work.
Oh no, you don't know how fast this thing really can go.
You're gonna have to do. No, Drew.
Let me.
If you start boosting whenever you're going backwards.
Go get out the car. You don't understand how to go super fast. Get out. Please get out. Percy didn't. Percy had no idea. You're meant to go backwards. And then you start driving forwards. Oh, I just broke it all.
Alright, where you at? Hi, Drew. Oh yeah, I know. Yeah, this is what I did. Wait, boost. You were breaking every wall. We see.
Did it go through?
Bro, I think you went outside of the map. You're not supposed to be able to go outside of the map. Bro, we gotta put all of these at armored walls. I wish you had.
Oh, you can easily do it. Yo, Tassie, you wanna race?
Oh wait.
By the way, you can both directions.
I wish the part of the wall wasn't
The
missing.
best thing is you go forward, and then you flip your car, and then you'll just start gunning it backwards.
Can I have a car? Y'all just gonna break it? You guys just gonna steal the car? Gonna steal the car, bro? Are you tripping, bro? Wish I wasn't. I wish I didn't have eyes.
You wanna go?
You just messed me up. Full on messed me up, bro. Kind of offensive, bro. I messed it up.
Oh, why are you freaking blocking it off, Percy?
Percy, your mic is off.
Okay.
Percy, bro, I'm going like, oh my god.
Oh, give me the car.
Oh my god.
No, bro. You better get out the car, bro. Bro, I swear if you don't get out the car. Alright, bro. You're actually good.
Percy, did you see how fast?
I just let the car go. Dude, look. The car is just going by itself.
Yo, look at Tussie.
Bro, look at it.
Wait, hold up.
Wait.
Launch an entire armada of cars.
Oh, yo, let's do that. Let's do it after. Wait. I want to see if I can.
Wait, I'm gonna add a ramp right here. I'm gonna add.
No, I already added a ramp.
No, in the beginning though.
No, don't do it in the beginning. It's too early.
Nah. Give me this car.
Percy. Oh my god.
Oh, you use the ramp too. You use the ramp wrong.
You know what Nelly Buzz lose me.
Bro, whose car did I just went over to?
Percy, delete the car real quick.
Bro, did you see my car? It went like bang, one thing. Whose car did it delete?
This thing keeps. I won't go backwards. Every time I go backwards, I just go outside.
That means you suck.
Uh-oh. I go 500 meters. Oh! Help me. I don't know if this is gonna be making enough. Oh, no.
Wait, hold on. Let me add.
I'm ending the stream, to be honest. Yeah, Louis, if I end the stream, I'm probably gonna do it again. I'll see you at school.